I think it's our best product. I think it's the most unique thing on the road. And finally, the future will look like the future.
This is Cybertruck. This is not just a vehicle. This is a vision. A vision of a future that is bold, innovative, and disruptive. A future that challenges the conventional aesthetics and aerodynamics of car design and introduces a new style that is futuristic, minimalist, and functional. You can love it or you can hate it, but there's no denying that Tesla, once again, proves itself as a leader in shaping the automotive industry. Other automakers have no choice but to either follow or compete with Tesla's vision. But is this vision of the future realistic and achievable, or just a fantasy and a failure? Will the Cybertruck become the norm and the part of our future, or just a flop and become a part of history? In this video, we will examine the design, performance, and features of the Tesla Cybertruck to determine if it lives up to the hype. Stay tuned until the end to find out. The Cybertruck is Tesla's attempt to revolutionize the pickup truck market, which is one of the most popular and profitable segments in the US. The Cybertruck is designed to be a rugged, durable, and versatile vehicle that can handle any terrain and challenge. It is also fully electric, which means it has zero emissions and low maintenance costs. First introduced in 2019, the Cybertruck has faced a lot of delays and challenges along the way. The original plan was to start production in late 2021, but that was pushed back to 2022 due to the global chip shortage and other factors. Then, in October 2023, Tesla announced that the Cybertruck would be delayed again, this time to early 2024. This caused a lot of frustration and disappointment among the fans and customers who had pre-ordered the vehicle. But just when everyone thought the Cybertruck was doomed, Tesla surprised us with a big announcement, the Cybertruck delivery event. On November 30th, 2023, Tesla hosted a live-streamed event at its Gigafactory in Texas, where it delivered the first batch of Cybertrucks to some lucky customers. The event was a huge success, with millions of viewers tuning in to watch the spectacle. Tesla also revealed some new details and features about the Cybertruck, such as its updated design, performance, and functionality. But is the Cybertruck really as amazing as Tesla claims? Can it really compete with the traditional pickup trucks? But hold on. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button if you're finding this insightful, and subscribe for more cutting-edge technological content. One of the most striking and controversial aspects of the Cybertruck is its design. The Cybertruck does not look like any other pickup truck on the market. It has a sharp, angular, and futuristic appearance that resembles a vehicle from a sci-fi movie, such as Blade Runner, which Musk has cited as one of his inspirations. The Cybertruck's design was partly based on the Lotus Esprit submarine from the James Bond film The Spy Who Loved Me, which Musk bought at an auction in 2013. The Cybertruck's design was also influenced by some of the iconic concept cars from the 1970s, created by Italian designer Giorgetto Giugiaro, who was known for his wedge-shaped cars, such as the DeLorean DMC-12 and the Maserati Boomerang. The Cybertruck's design is not just for show. It is also functional and durable. It is made of ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, which is the same material used for SpaceX's Starship rocket. This steel exoskeleton provides a high level of strength and resistance to dents, scratches, and corrosion. It also eliminates the need for a separate body and frame, which reduces the weight and cost of the vehicle. The Cybertruck also has a unique windshield that is made of armored glass. This glass is supposed to be able to withstand rocks and other impacts. However, during the unveiling event in 2019, the glass cracked when a metal ball was thrown at it. Tesla CEO Elon Musk later explained that this was due to a previous test that damaged the base of the glass. He also claimed that the glass will be improved and fixed before the production. The Cybertruck's interior is also unconventional and minimalist. It can seat up to 6 people, with a large 17-inch touchscreen in the center of the dashboard. The interior is mostly black, with leather seats and a marble-like dashboard. The vehicle also has a spacious bed, or vault, that can store up to 100 cubic feet of cargo. The vault has a retractable cover that can withstand 300 pounds of weight. In terms of the raw power, the Cybertruck uses a new 800-volt architecture, allowing the all-electric pickup truck to have faster charging speed and higher efficiency. The dual-motor wheel-drive version uses a permanent magnet motor on the front axle and an induction motor at the rear axle for a total power output of 600 horsepower. While the Tri-Motor CyberBeast version uses 3 permanent magnet motors for a whopping 845 horsepower. The Cybertruck also features a sizable battery pack that offers an extensive driving range and rapid charging capabilities. Although the official battery size hasn't been disclosed, some estimates propose approximately 123 kilowatt-hours for the dual-motor AWD version, providing up to a 340-mile range or around 547 kilometers, and 150 kilowatt-hours for the Tri-Motor CyberBeast version, offering a 320-mile range on a single charge. The single-motor RWD version is speculated to have a smaller battery, around 75 kilowatt-hours. The Cybertruck can charge up to 250 kilowatts at 400 V or up to 350 kilowatts at 800 V using Tesla's supercharger network. This means that the Cybertruck can recover up to 136 miles of range in just 15 minutes for the dual-motor AWD version and up to 128 miles of range in just 15 minutes for the Tri-Motor CyberBeast version. The Cybertruck also has a 110V and 220V power outlet in the bed and cabin that can be used to power your tools, appliances, or even another electric vehicle. The Cybertruck can also provide up to 11.5 kilowatts of power to your home during a grid outage, acting as a backup generator. The Cybertruck is not only a sustainable and efficient vehicle, but also a high-performance machine that can rival some of the best sports cars on the market. The Cybertruck has impressive acceleration, top speed, and towing capacity, depending on the model. With the Tri-Motor CyberBeast version can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and has a top speed of 130 miles per hour. The Cybertruck also has a formidable towing capacity, which is one of the most important factors for pickup truck buyers. The dual-motor AWD version can tow up to 11,000 pounds, which is comparable to some of the best-selling pickup trucks, such as the Ford F-150 or the Ram 1500. The Tri-Motor CyberBeast version can tow up to 14,000 pounds, which is more than any other pickup truck on the market. The Cybertruck also has an adjustable air suspension that can raise or lower the ride height on the fly, depending on the terrain and the load. Thanks to the battery pack, the Cybertruck has a low center of gravity, which improves the stability and handling of the vehicle. The steer-by-wire system and a rear steering feature also make maneuverability and turning radius of the vehicle much more easy. The Cybertruck also comes with Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, which enhances the safety and convenience behind the wheel. Autopilot also comes as standard, which includes features such as traffic-aware cruise control, which matches the speed of your car to that of the surrounding traffic, and autosteer, which assists in steering within a clearly marked lane. The Cybertruck also has a bioweapon defense mode, which is a built-in hospital-grade HEPA filter that helps provide protection from 99.97% of airborne particles. Some optional accessories that can enhance its functionality and appeal are also available for purchase. For instance, the Cybertruck can be equipped with a light bar, which illuminates your path up to 525 yards, which is more than 5 football fields. The Cybertruck can also be equipped with a base camp, which is an instant tent that fits 2 adults comfortably and pumps up in minutes. The vehicle can also be equipped with all-terrain tires, which can handle any environment. The Cybertruck is being manufactured at Tesla's Gigafactory, Texas, a massive facility that spans over 2,000 acres near Austin, Texas. The Gigafactory, Texas is Tesla's 5th and largest factory, and it is expected to produce around 100,000 Cybertruck per year. Manufacturing the Cybertruck is not an easy task. It has a unique and unconventional design that requires new and innovative methods and technologies. For example, the Cybertruck is made of ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, the same material used for SpaceX's Starship rocket. This steel exoskeleton provides a high level of strength and resistance to dents, scratches, and corrosion. It also eliminates the need for a separate body and frame, which reduces the weight and cost of the vehicle. However, this steel is also very difficult to work with as it requires special tools and techniques to cut, bend, and weld. The Cybertruck is available for pre-order now with a $250 refundable deposit. The starting price for the single-motor RWD version is $60,990, which is claimed to offer more than 250 miles of range and reach 60 miles per hour in less than 6.5 seconds. The dual-motor AWD version is priced at $79,990, while the tri-motor Cyberbeast version, the most expensive model, comes in just under $100,000. The Cybertruck is up against some competition from other EV makers who've already entered the pickup truck market. Noteworthy rivals include the Ford F-150 Lightning, the Rivian R1T, the GMC Hummer EV, and the Lordstown Endurance. While these vehicles also offer high performance, long range, and advanced features, they embrace a more conventional and familiar design compared to the Cybertruck. Now, when we look at the Cybertruck, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages in comparison to other EV competitors. On one hand, it boasts a loyal fan base, a strong brand image, and a high level of innovation. But on the flip side, it faces challenges and risks that could impact its standing in the market. Delays and uncertainties in the production timeline might affect customer confidence and satisfaction. Plus, its controversial and polarizing design could limit its appeal among mainstream consumers. Turning our attention to safety, it's another significant concern for the Cybertruck. Many have questioned its ability to protect occupants and pedestrians in case of a crash, given its unconventional and heavy design. Experts have raised doubts about Cybertruck's crumple zone, airbags, side view mirrors, and headlight strip, suggesting that they may not meet legal and regulatory standards in some markets, particularly in the EU, where safety standards are particularly high. So, what do you think about the Cybertruck? Do you love it or hate it? And do you think the Cybertruck is worth the hype? We would love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.